Next I am going to teach you how to draw 120 degrees. So our next angle is 120 degrees. We begin with the same process. First we draw a straight line. Now this is a bigger straight line. I suggest to the beginners, please draw bigger straight lines so that it is easier for you to construct. Next, we take the compass, put it on the point B, the pointed tip on the B dot. The difference between both the sides of the compass would be greater than half the length of line AB. Now an arch touching the line and moving across B. From the point where the arch touches the line AB, an arch is put on the previous arch and we create 60 degrees. If we join these two lines, we create 60 degrees. Now the point where this arch intersects each other, I take another arch. Now this is our 120 degree. If we join these two lines, now all you need to do is join the line of intersection with point B and your angle 120 degree is created. This is your 120 degree. Give it a name to this point. C angle A, B and C is equals to 120 degree.